Your time now is 6:25. Is your nose feeling a little itchy? Can you feel that cough coming on? Well, it's the same old thing that happens every year. Allergy season strikes again. But the reason behind it might actually be new information to you. According to a recent study by Climate Central, climate change is directly related to worsening allergies. So the data shows that an earlier spring and warmer days for parts of the U.S. are actually causing the plants to release pollen sooner. And researchers also say that pollen is going to be in the air longer than usual.
Well, whatever the reason behind your allergies, there are a few ways experts say you can try to keep them at bay. Start by taking allergy meds early to be prepared as more pollen is released. You should also remove clothes you've worn outside and shower as soon as you get in to get that pollen off your skin and your hair. Finally, the Mayo Clinic suggests keeping an indoor air filter to keep your air clean.